Miss Baby Kitty.
Yeah, look at me.
Come and ride along with Hawkeye and Jeannie, as they continue their journey on the road in a converted cargo van, visiting cities, communities, towns, and other places of interest to determine what is really going on in the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic. Who is in business and who is not? What is the new normal way to live? Then report back to you with these videos. That is what Hawkeye's Tales and Trails is all about. I am Delmer, the narrator.
Yeah, and actually there's a different road out if you...
Okay.
I don't know where we catch it though. I can't remember. We've taken it once.
I just wondered
It
where
might
this
be
ends,
behind
and
us.
I guess this is where it ends. And look, they're building. It looks like they're building a new little house maybe
Yeah.
here.
So what was the name of this town?
Wishram.
Wishram. So this is the dead end here.
So Wishram.
I wish I was from Wisham. Wisham. Wishram.
Yeah.
Kinda, it's Wishram.
I like the grasses and the...
Oh, I guess we're going to get to tour
There's cell tone tower.
Doesn't this look like maybe
This
they're
is
building themselves a new little house?
You're
here?
going
Look
down a
at that
one-way,
lavender and some
remarkably
grasses.
dead end road.
It's pretty. I've got
I
some
am.
of those in my
But
yard.
That's what she does.
Yeah, just don't let me die in Hollywood.
Yeah. Or are you really going to go up this one dead end road?
Oh, I was, but you
Okay,
said I
go ahead.
shouldn't.
All right, go ahead.
Okay, we won't then.
I'm going to roll my window up.
Sorry.
It's not that bad.
She thinks we're weird, I think.
Caulfield Canyon Road. Oh yeah, that looks like a one-way road too.
It says do not enter.
Yeah. Sorry.
You go ahead past me, because I don't know where I'm going.
Uh,
You're going up the hill. Okay, sorry. I'm trying to figure out how to turn around. I didn't know this was a dead end.
we don't know where we're going.
Here is an awesome picture. Mount Hood, Mount Adams, and Mount Rainier.
I'll be darned.
Episode 52, and more,
was.
is about time Hawkeye and Jeannie spent in the Columbia River Valley area and a visit with Jeannie's older brother, Marv, and his wife Joni when they visit Lavender Valley Farm. Indulge in the breathtaking lavender views in this beautiful Columbia Gorge destination. Lavender Valley Farm offers views of both Mount Adams and Mount Hood with vibrant lavender in between. Take home all sorts of handcrafted merchandise ranging from bath and body products to various culinary items. Make sure to check out their 100% pure lavender essential oil, which is processed right there in the Columbia River Gorge. Cool off with lavender lemonade available daily throughout the summer. Relax with the amazing scent of lavender while making amazing memories with the whole family. They hope that you will try their quality products and share them with friends and family. They take pride in handcrafting all of their products, using local product and labor, growing and distilling, and enjoy bringing the best of their world to you. You Pick Lavender is open from June through September.
Yeah, I'll turn him up. How you doing?
Good, buddy. How are you?
Oh man, if I was doing any better, it'd be against the law. Now who knew that lavender was a commodity? Hey, how you guys doing? Looks like you're incarcerated. I know the feeling.
Them.
Oh, cool.
This picture at sunset, she said. With
Yeah,
everything in full bloom. Is that beautiful or what?
that is beautiful. This is a beautiful place.